Love means craving for God. God appreciates love more than devotion. In devotion, there is distance and awe, perhaps fear. In love, there is unity, at-one-ment. God is freedom from all misery. God is the wealth and the health you seek. God is the love you seek. The desire of the soul for God is behind all other desires. Worldly desires camouflage the longing of the soul to be reunited with God-Bliss. Only God can satisfy all the desires of this life and of past incarnations. I have found it so. And all things you desire you will find in Him. He is playing hide and seek with His devotees. But someday, after this play is over, to each of you He will say, I hide from you long, not to torture you, but to make our reunion in the end bright and beautiful. After your search of incarnations, you have come to me at last, and I joyfully welcome you to your home. I have been waiting long for you. You were not the only one who was seeking. Through all your life's experiences, it was I, wearing the disguises of different loves, of family and friends, who pursued you. I have been watching and waiting for you more eagerly than you have sought me. Many times you forgot me, but I could not forget you, my child. Beloved of your own free will, you have come back to me. We shall never again be parted. Every human being is loved in that way by God. He is waiting for you. Don't give the world your attention. Do your duties, but be with God. It is worth it. Every moment of your life should be filled with the thought of God. Don't waste your time. You are right here. You are in the sun. You are in the grass. You are in the water. You are in this room. You are in my heart. Divine love transmutes all material desires, even the longing for human love. The mortal passion which so often brings pain from its fickle nature or because it is snatched away by death. Loving the Lord, you can never turn back to being satisfied by lesser loves. In Him you will find the love of all hearts. You will find completedness. Everything that the world gives you and then takes away, leaving you in pain or disillusionment, you will find in God in a much greater way, and with no aftermath of sorrow. And when great love for God comes into your heart, you do not miss anything. No matter what you have or do not have in this world, you will feel fulfilled.